Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the MODCART brand 5-tier heavy-duty storage shelves. We're going to open it up, get it out of the box, put it together, test it out for weight, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying. When you see the packaging, it is really nicely organized and safely put together, as you can see. So let's get this out. All right, out of the box, you'll find a nice instruction manual. Make sure you follow those directions as well as possible. And of course, at that point, you've got this thing. You just got to cut it open. There are pieces in there, wheels, stuff like that. So just make sure that you take all the parts and pieces apart and get yourself ready. Now, if needed, it does come with a wall mounting set that I will not be using. All right, so this thing is put together now. Please note that as part of this thing, there's going to be some extras of these. They're kind of the clamps that hold this thing in together. You should have 2 extra, just to be aware, because they may break, and so they do provide extra, which is a good thing. This thing is about 6 foot tall, so really nice height. Let me show you it installed with some stuff on it. All right, so my apologies about the lighting, but I just want to kind of show you that this thing has been awesome. Saves me a ton of space. Really helping me out in storage. Keeps things very organized, and most importantly, holds a lot of weight. And so to me, totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.